Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was able finally I was able to take the engine out. I was able to raise it high enough with this um, tire wheel shocks. I was able to use this to raise the car high enough, put it on the jack stands high enough so I could actually slide the engine with the engine stand out of the way from the engine bay. I did slide it off this area right here, had to take the wheel out, but I was finally able to do it. Now that we have the engine out, it's going to be easier to clean all this up. I'm going to start cleaning the engine bay, trying to see if I can do the ABS delete and do a little bit of a tuck on the brake lines. See if I could also delete the brake booster and all that, take care of all that, take everything out of the way, make the engine bay cleaner and more simple. But we're finally here. Also gotta start cleaning out the engine itself and the transmission, taking care of that as well. So that's pretty much the progress at the moment. Brake booster and master cylinder are out. Now I gotta keep removing all those lines over here, brake lines, and the ABS components over here, to remove as much as I can to start cleaning it out. So most of the things have already been cleared out, especially on the fender areas. I was able to take almost everything out. Next we'll be taking as much as I can from the firewall, taping everything up and get it ready. Clean it really good, tape it, and get it ready for paint. Dash remove, so I can start by pulling out the harness from the firewall. Harness already out. Everything's pretty much that I wanted to remove has been removed. I already started cleaning out the engine bay, started getting prepared for the paint. I've been sanding it down little by little. Gonna keep sanding it, trying to get it as smooth as I can to get it ready for paint. Alright guys, so first coat of paint is done. I'm gonna give a second coat to it, but I really like the results. It came out better than I was expecting it to be. I'm just gonna follow up with a second coat. Alright, second coat, second paint coat has been done. Now I gotta let it sit for a while so it dries up, and then I'm gonna start clearing it for the UV protection. But so far so good, making progress as it is.